guys, so today's video is going to be all about the new foundation from Colourpop, and I got mine in the mail the other day. I got the No Filter Foundation in shade 185, and they said 185 is the closest to what I wear in Fenty, which is Fenty 430. So yeah, we should see how this baby looks. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my face just so you can see what it looks like compared to my normal skin tone. And then I'm going to swatch some of the other foundations that I normally wear as well. So there is 185. I wear D40 in the new Covergirl foundations. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch that too, because that's another affordable brand you can try out if you don't feel like having the coins for something like this. So D40 and Covergirl is super duper similar. It's basically like spot on looking, a bit more golden. But yeah, so that's my Fenty 430. That is the Covergirl D40. And there is the Colourpop 185. Yeah, so you can see they are really, really similar. Other than the Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever, Colourpop, Covergirl, Fenty. And then do this just like I normally would do my makeup for any other day. I'm not just going to apply this on my face because this is not how I would normally wear it. So I'm just going to go do the whole shebang for you. Just put a little corrector under there. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation to my face. So shake it up. I'm not using their foundation brush. Even though it was free, it's not what I would normally use, so I'm not even gonna go ahead and try to apply with that because I would never use that. The only thing I would probably use that for is concealer. Like I saw my Sorors video and I was like, you know what, girl, that is all I would use this for too. So I might use that when I'm applying the concealer to my face, but I'm definitely not going to use it for foundation. I'm going to use my Artis oval brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just put maybe just put 3 pumps up there. Dab it on my face. And in addition to the foundation, I picked up the loose powder and I picked up a pressed powder. So I picked up the loose powder in the dark, it says medium deep on the bottom, but then it says translucent deep on the website. So I'm gonna need them to get their packaging names fixed, because I shouldn't be like looking at medium deep here and then it says translucent deep on my receipt and on the website. Okay, so far so good on this foundation. My neck and the foundation are looking real good, and I like to blend it down to my neck so I can actually see how it's going to look, because you don't want to just like leave your neck bare in a sense. Like you want to come down and see if it's going to all like blend in. You don't want that big old line of demarcation from where your not correct shade of foundation ends and then the rest of your skin color begins. That's what you don't want that. So let's make sure that is looking good over there and right here. Okay, so this is the foundation on its own on my face, and I did not do like my ring light or anything. I'm doing like natural lighting from outside and the lights from my vanity lighting, because I feel like the ring light kind of washes me out sometimes, and I want y'all to see like the real color of this foundation. Name change, I think the name is changed on this one as well, because it used to be named Deep Golden number 60, and I don't know what the new name of it is now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this right here. And I'm not gonna apply a lot because I want to be able to blend it out like I want. Just gonna put a little bit right there. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit on my face as well. So one thing I do like about their applicators is that it's flexible, and it makes it easier to just apply it to your face, because some of these applicators are really, really stiff and you can't really do like, it's hard to maneuver it around your face at times when it's that stiff. So I'm just going to put a little bit right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, maybe like 2 minutes, and get my beauty blender right here. So after I let it sit for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my blender, and I'm gonna spray it with my MAC Fix Plus. I don't have any of the beauty, any of the Colourpop sprays, so you know I gotta use what I got. Oops. Oh, my dog is like, why are you spraying me, mommy? Okay. So I let it sit up there for a while. I just didn't, you know, you don't want to just blend it out as soon as you apply it up there. And I think a lot of people have messed up with this foundation because they be trying to set everything with that yellow banana powder. Banana powder is not for everybody. Honestly, truly. Banana powder is not for everybody. Everybody don't need banana powder. So I'm going to go ahead and try out and see, like I said, it says medium deep on it. And it doesn't say, I think they're trying to do like Laura Mercier because hers says medium deep on it as well. It's like they probably just picked it up and was like, hey guys, make me this. You know, no shade to Colourpop, because if you did, that's a good alternative to paying Laura Mercier. So I think it is a little bit deeper. So it's a little bit deeper than the Laura Mercier medium deep and the Colourpop medium deep. But it's really good. It's a good looking dupe there. Okay guys, so we got the skin on, and now let's go ahead and find a blush and a highlight. So I don't really have any Colourpop blushes, and I'm not gonna try to find any right now. So I'm gonna go to my go-to summer blush, basically my go-to like all the time blush, because I love this. And this is from Cargo. This is their Laguna blush, and it is super old because it came in like a BoxyCharm one time. No, not BoxyCharm. What's a BoxyCharm? It might have been BoxyCharm. Whatever. So yeah, let me just go ahead and apply that. I think I might get my sunflower pictures after all today. Hey, pop one. And I have a lot more, but they're just like so deep down in my little Colourpop drawer. Okay, so that one. So I'm gonna use Telepathy from Colourpop on my lid. And then I'm gonna use some colors from the Perception palette from Makeup Shayla, and yellow. So it's gonna look really good out there in them sunflowers. Like, y'all, I'm really excited about taking some pictures in these sunflowers. I don't know why. Like, I sat there and dreamed about this last night. I was like, ooh, I'm going to the sunflowers today. It's gonna be lit. Like, I legit sat there dreaming, like, what am I gonna do? Like, how am I gonna have my hair? Da 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 da. So now I'm going to use this liner from Colourpop, and this is Punch.